Hello and welcome to AMR Lifestyle, the winning game to look great, feel great, and win big in life. Our channel focuses on creating valuable content to those who wish to improve their game, finances, and overall lifestyle. Our weekly video will engage you in super valuable content and will improve your thinking and attitude towards work, life, and style. For those of you subscribed to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either AMR on 1 Federal or Custom Colors on 9 Water Street. When we think about, again, the ability to live in the future and not in the past, we could take a great example of that in history, and I'm sure a lot of you know about him, Dr. Viktor Frankl. And it has been discussed and brought to light and in many discussions in psychology many times because of one of the one of the things that was most important part that was portrayed was exactly living in the future, what allowed him to maintain and not being affected. Of course, he was affected by, like, how did he step out of the Auschwitz concentration camp brutality. At a physical level, of course, he suffered just like everybody else, but he discovered that in between stimulus and response there is a gap, and that gap is the choice for you to how you're going to respond. And obviously it takes a tremendous courage and strength of character to, I mean, we can only imagine what it would be like. I mean, we don't wish that upon anyone, and obviously it must have been the most horrific experience on earth, and to also being able to find the power and the strength to say to yourself, oh, I'm going to be thinking positively about this experience. I mean, it really is a very difficult situation that we don't wish upon anyone. And so that's exactly why it's a perfect example of how you need to overcome the negativity that comes from your own self and those around you, for instance. Because just think of Dr. Viktor Frankl, to that specific point. Between stimulus and response, there is a gap in the choice to respond, and the choice to respond in this case scenario is by when you're being attacked or affected by the negative emotions that comes from you or from a person on the outside, a bully or whatever. You react by envision your future. Simply by thinking about the beauty of the future, of what your life is going to be like. And you say, well, but that's not going to resolve my problem. I still have the problem. The problem will be there, and eventually everything will come to an end. Even your problem will come to an end. But the question is here, it's how you manage your emotion. Because the problem is there, but now the fact that the problem is there, you shouldn't have to live with the emotion of the problem. You see what I'm saying? So you have to deal with the problem by detaching from the emotion. And if you do that and you focus on the future, you stay put, stay on alert mode if you have to, and then focus and deal with the situation, but then detach from the emotion and deal with it successfully. And again, this is another example of whenever we see let's say action heroes in TV, that they act under extreme stressful situations, and they just maintain a cool attitude, and that's, I mean, it's not easy to do, and it's very hard to do, but that's pretty much what we're talking about. It's deal with it, respond consciously to the situation, but do not be engaged by the emotions. It's pretty much what we're talking about. I hope that we have given you some great advice in this video, and we hope to see you again next time. And please subscribe to our channel, and have a wonderful day. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you enjoyed it, but most importantly, we hope that it will contribute to your personal improvement towards your creative thinking and attitude and your overall lifestyle. Once again, for those of you who subscribe to our channel, we will offer a complimentary fitting and clothing consultation at our locations in Boston, either AMR on 1 Federal Street or Cuffs and Collars on 9 Water Street. Please also check out our website, AntoineRubini.com or CuffsandCollars.com, to set up appointments for custom clothing and style consultation, or to find out about our latest collections available in stores and online. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to see you soon.